All right, so in this exercise, you're going to be using the diagram to look at symbols and describe if the statements that represent the from the picture, if the statement is true or false. So you have to remember, like 1A, this says segment AC is parallel to segment CG. So you have to understand first what it means by segment. So AC, you got to identify where AC is. Okay, is AC parallel to CG? Well, if these two lines are parallel, they'll never cross. These cross, so they're correct, and which ones are correct, and then explain why. No, they cross. They either cross at some point or they cross. Or perhaps a better one would be no, they intersect at C. So C tells you where they intersect. And then if you move on, it says the measure of angle CAB. So start with 1, start at C, go to A, go to B. CAB, is that congruent? Is it the same measure as ECG? So E, C, and G, are these the same? Well, I just drew that to identify where the angles are. I'm going to get rid of it, and what you can see is that there's one hash mark here and there's one hash mark there. So yes, okay, hash marks indicate congruent. All right, that's just giving reasoning to what's going on, and you'll keep doing the same thing. All right, so is AC perpendicular to CG? Well, AC is AC perpendicular to CG. Well, if they're perpendicular, they got to form a right angle. So AC, is that perpendicular to CG? This doesn't look like a right angle, so that would be no. Right? And then you go on and you talk about triangle congruence. Is one triangle congruent to another? We're basing that stuff. And then this is going to help you with the go. A straight line measures 180 degrees. Can also be referred to as a straight angle. If two angles share a vertex and make a straight angle, they are called a linear pair. This is the case because they make a straight line. Use this information about a linear pair to find the measure of the missing angle. Okay? So what's this end? If both equal 180, 180 is equal to what plus 30? How would I solve this? Again, this is where you have to create the equations, right? Which is what I just did. I created a simple equation, and then you have to work backwards. Well, gee, what plus 8, 7, 6, 5, that's 150 is equal to my question mark. 140, well, gee, 180 plus question mark, equals, that's going to be equals, that's a horrible looking equal sign, that looks like a not equal to, equals question mark plus 140. Well, question mark better be equal to 40, because 140 plus 40 is 180. And then, oh no, now I have multiple angles over here. I have this angle here, and I have this angle here I have to find. Well, they're trying to throw you for a loop, because the 163 plus the rest of this should be equal to 180. So 180 should be equal to 163 plus question mark. And I'm going to go out on a limb and say these two angles here are going to be equal. And I'll explain in a little bit of class. So 180 minus 63. I don't have a calculator, so that's 8, that's 7, 10. That's going to be 7 there, because 7 and 3 is 10. So it's going to be 17. 17, 18, 19, 16, yeah, seems right. So that's going to help you with the ready and the go, right, for these ones as well. So it's just a short video for that.